Can you pay your tuition fee in Italy by doing just part-time jobs? Today we are going to find out if you can pay your tuition fee in Italy by doing the part-time jobs. So first of all, we are going to find out how much the fee is. So as you know, in the public universities, it is about 4,000 a year, and in the private universities, it is about 20,000 euros per year. Now you just need to calculate the how much you make. So as we know, there's the normal or the minimum wage rate in Italy is between 9 euros, and how many work hours you're allowed to per week, which means you are allowed to work 40 hours per week. So I'm just going to calculate that for you. So if we work 40 hours a week, 9 euros per hour. So I'm just going to multiply it with 40, and we are making actually 360 euros per week, and I'm just going to multiply it with 53. There are 53 weeks in a year, which means you can make up to 19,000. So in order to pay the tuition fee in the private university, it gets difficult, but in the public universities, as we know, it is a pretty easy job. So that's the calculation that I made. It may be very according to your situation, so it totally depends upon your situation. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.